Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download and install Tonkeeper wallet in your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your app store or Play Store, then go to search bar and type in Tonkeeper. Search it up. Right away you will have your Tonkeeper app right over here. You can see Tonkeeper Tone Wallet. Tap on get given at the over there, double click, verify yourself, and there you go, your app will start being downloaded. Just gotta have some patience till the circle completes itself and app will be downloaded. So we're gonna just wait. Now once the app has been done downloading and installing, tap on open and this will open up right over here. You can use it however you would prefer, and that is basically it. You can go back and you will find your app listed as well right over there. That's basically it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.